Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations and integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing, we have second derivative. We want to find first derivative of the function. So to find first derivative of the function, we need to do the integration of second derivative of the function in here. So because if we do this integration, we will have about first derivative of the function. So this one, that is about this one. So the integration of sine theta, we have negative cosine theta. The integration of cosine, we have sine. And I will put about c. Now we have the condition. That is about when first derivative of the function at theta equal to number 0, we have number 1. That means when theta equals to number 0 and the first derivative equals to number 1. So we need to put number 0 on here and here. So we will have about 1 equal to negative cosine number 0 plus sine number 0 plus c. We can find the value of c in here. Sine of number 0, we have number 0. Cosine of number 0, we have number 1. However, we have the negative in here. So we have negative number 1. Negative number 1 go to the left. 1 plus 1, we have number 2. So c equal to number 2. And we put number 2 on here. And we need to find first derivative of the function in here. Now, after we have this one, we can find original function. To do this one, we continue using about integration. And this one we will have about original function in here. So this one, that is about this one. The integration of cosine theta, we have negative sine theta. This one, we have negative cosine theta. Number 2, we have 2 theta. And we have c here. Now we have the condition. That's c in here. So we put number 0 on here. And we have number 1. So this one, we have number 0. This one, we have number 1. Negative number 1 go to the left. 1 plus 1, we have number 2. And we have 2 equal to c. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.